In today's tutorial, I am going to walk you through exactly how to fix a hosting your payment error swiftly and safely, ensuring your website gets back online without any further interruption. If you have ever been frustrated by a failed checkout or a payment decline while trying to manage your hosting services, you know how crucial it is to resolve these billing issues quickly. This guide will cover the essential steps to identify the problem and get your account status back to active. If this video helps you save time or fix your billing issues, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more technical tips. Let us get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and head over to hostinger.com to log into your account. Once you have successfully logged into your control panel, look for the navigation settings and click on Billing. From there, select Payment History. This page is essentially your billing headquarters. Here, you should carefully review the list of transactions to check the status of your recent payments. You want to see if the system shows that the payment has failed or if it is currently stuck as pending. Sometimes a simple network hiccup can trigger a pending state, but if it is marked as failed, you need to take action. Next, you should verify your card information or whatever payment method you are currently using. Often, these errors are caused by something simple like an expired card, an incorrect billing address, or perhaps a temporary block from your bank. Double-check your numbers to ensure everything is accurate. If you have confirmed your details are correct and the transaction still fails, consider trying an alternative payment method. Hostinger supports various options, and switching to a different card, a digital wallet service, or even another payment gateway can often bypass the error entirely. If it continues to fail even after trying a new method, it is definitely time to reach out to the Hostinger live chat support team, as they can tell you exactly why the authorization is being denied. And that is it. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve most payment issues on your own. It's a quick and simple process that keeps your services running smoothly. If this video helped you solve your hosting or payment error, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you can find us again whenever you need technical support. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.